The Saramonic Blink 500 Pro system has made many industry firsts. Now, it's done it again. Introducing the B3, B4, B5, and B6 kits. Lightning and USB-C 2.4 GigaHertz dual-channel receivers for Apple iOS, Android devices, and computers. Now, broadcast quality audio for two just got easier. No mounting accessories or cables needed. At only 16.4 grams, its sleek design is virtually weightless. Ideal for one or two-person content creation of all kinds, and even live streaming. And with a 100-meter range line of sight, giving you the freedom for more expansive shots without fear of dropouts.
Cardio is an incredibly important part of your fitness. And as you can see, we're outside today behind the gym because we got good weather. Make sure to get in your cardio.
Clip the transmitter to your shirt, or be more discreet with the included SR-M1 Professional Lavalier. With an impressive sensitivity of -39 decibels, you can easily set it on a table, podium, or use it handheld. With the optional Blink 500 Pro HM handheld mic holder, you can even further extend its handheld performance. And performance is what these mics are about. With unique features like selectable mic line input, you can connect to virtually any audio source. Switch the transmitter to line level to connect mixers, music players, or any line level device output you want to transmit wirelessly. The transmitter also provides plug-in power to use other lavs, a headset microphone, or even a TRS mini shotgun microphone. And the adjustable mic gain lets you dial in perfect levels every time.
And always remember this, AMRAP. As many reps as possible, all right? Start strong, finish strong, and always remember, maintain your form from the first rep all the way to the last.
You can even monitor sound in real time with the headphone out, integrating perfectly with video, virtual meeting, audio recording, and other apps, even if your app does not allow real-time monitoring. And it also features a selectable mono stereo 100% digital output, giving you the ability to mix both channels or record each mic to separate channels. The transmitter's 8-hour internal battery lasts longer than other mic systems in its class, and the included charging case with single button pairing while the units are in the case is an industry first. You can even use a USB power bank to charge the case or power the transmitters, so your mics are at 100% even when you're on the go. The Blink 500 Pro series is the most feature-packed, ultra-compact wireless system for content creators using mobile devices on the market today, while delivering crystal-clear, professional sound. The Blink 500 Pro for Lightning and USB-C each come in single and dual transmitter kits. And each kit comes with everything you see here. Sound remarkable.